if you're looking for one of the most versatile and great sounding speakers out there, then you may want to take a look at this Kickstarter, because these speakers from UB Plus are quite phenomenal.
Got to love you.
Don't forget to hit the red button to subscribe and click the notification bell to get my next video first.
Just keep walking down to separate ways. I can show you, escaping your pain now. You break down, you're drained now. Your heart pounds, your lips move, your eyes shine, you lose it all.
So my friends, I'm really excited to talk to you about this, which is the UFO speaker, the E2 version from UB Plus. Now, UB Plus are a company from Singapore, and they've got this device currently in Kickstarter. It is getting phenomenal support, and I'll give you all of those details in just a second. But in the box itself, you get a little plate for the speaker to sit on, a leather strap which hooks around the speaker, which means that you can then carry it or you can hang it from somewhere, and you also get a USB-C charging cable. So the box is fairly standard, but what isn't standard is this design. Now, I've reviewed a lot of speakers, and most of them, to be honest with you, can be quite dull and boring, but this is anything from that. Now, you don't actually get the legs as part of the standard speaker. You do have to purchase those, and I'll give you those details in a second. But this is the actual speaker itself. Now, as you can see, it's round, it's the size of a football, maybe a bowling ball, but it's certainly not as heavy. It's made of plastic, and so therefore it's not a super premium product. It weighs around a kilo, but it looks like it's very well made. And on the back you've got your controls, and again I'll run through those in a second. It comes in a variety of colors, so you can choose. You don't have to have this, I think, rather stylish retro green. It certainly goes with my room, but you can have something a little bit more tame. Now, you can just sit it on its stand like that. It does actually make a magnetic connection, or you can hook it up to the legs, which do cost a little bit extra. So, as I mentioned, this is still in Kickstarter, and at the moment you can get one of these speakers with the desktop stand or the table stand for $99. A set of two you can get for $189, and this also includes free worldwide delivery. And if you're feeling a little bit plush, then you might want to get a set of four, and then you can get that for $399. Now, we believe that the legs are around $30 extra on top, and again, they're very easy to fit. They've got a magnetic base so that the speaker will sit securely, and all you need to do is position it on top and then get it to the point where it grips, so it should be able to lift the legs with how you put it on. Now, one of the accessories that you may choose not to use is the leather strap. Now, this just hooks around the speaker, and I guess it's ideal if you want to carry this around with you, so therefore you're not having to use two hands. Now, if you are taking it outside, for instance, I definitely recommend that you put this on, but if your speaker is just going to live in your office, your room, then I don't necessarily think there's any need, and I think it looks better probably aesthetically without, but again, that may just be down to personal choice. So if you have got the space, I definitely think that the legs is the way forward, but you don't have to have them. You can just use the table stands, and again, it looks good. They still look just as stylish, but probably just not as good as with the legs. Okay, let's look at setting these up now. On the back you have 5 different options there. You've got an auxiliary, a USB-C, volume up, volume down, and the power. And you use those buttons also for pairing and combining it as a stereo set. Okay, so we're up in the studio now, and we're going to turn these on and run some sound tests. But easy to turn on, just literally press the middle on button and then it will come on. If you press and hold that button, it will send it into pairing mode, so Bluetooth pairing mode. And if you have got a set of these, then press and hold the volume up and volume down. Do this on both speakers to connect a pair. The design of these speakers also help generate extra bass, not only with the shape being round, but also with that cone at the back. It really does deliver some extra bass. Okay, so you have already heard these speakers at the beginning of the video, but let's see how they sound individually and then together as a pair.
Got to know you before you faded away. I got to know you, got to love you. Just keep on walking down to separate ways. I can show you, escaping your pain now. You break down, you're drained now. Your heart pounds, your lips move, your eyes walking down to separate ways. I can show you, escaping your pain now. You break down, you're drained now. Your heart pounds, your lips move, your eyes shine. You lose it all. I'll just wait here as you're fading away. I got to know you, got to love you. One thing to say before you're fading away. I really love you. Escaping your pain now. You break down, you're drained now. Your heart pounds, your
So my friends, individually you get around 95 to 100 decibels, you get around 105 when they're connected as a stereo pair. They produce a really good level of bass. If you like bass, you'll love these. But folks, they just look fantastic. So not only do they deliver on sound, they definitely deliver on looks. Leave a comment and let me know what your thoughts are. Head over to the Kickstarter and read a little bit more about these. But thanks as always, my friends, for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.